Hi there. So today I will build my dream watch. I'm going with this black bracelet that looks like a PRX bracelet, I think. The bracelet will be black, and I got this yellow gold dial, I think. Let's see. All the parts are from AliExpress, so let's build this watch. And also, I got this rotary. I wanna change it. This is the first time I'm doing this, so I think I just have to unscrew this and screw back the other one. All the tools and the parts that I will use in this video are from AliExpress, so I will put the link down below if you want to try it out yourself and build the watch that you like. It's not hard. This is my second time building one, but the first time changing the rotary on the watch. Now I just need to put the new one in. You always have to be careful with this kind of stuff so you don't damage the movement of the watch. I was watching the statistics of my channel and I saw that 95% of you are not subscribed that watch this video. It will help me a lot if you would click that subscribe button and support this channel. Thank you. And now it's the part where I put the dial in. So you see, we have this little, I don't know how to say it, but we just align it and push the dial into case. Just be careful. You see, like this. Just press it down. I went with a black date. White letters, but a black background. So now I'm gonna check if it turns. I advise you always to check it after every step to see if everything works. It's better that way, so you don't have to go back and do it again. And now for the hands. This is a tricky part. I always end up doing this like for a half an hour. The hour one is not that hard, but the minute and the second, yeah. You have to align it on 12 o'clock so it changes the date when you went for 24 hours. And press it in. Check if it touches something on the dial and see if everything's all right. And now move it 24 hours and see if the date changes. It would be ideal to change it on when it comes to 12 o'clock, but sometimes it doesn't work that way, and I'm okay with it. You see? And now for the minute hand. It's a bit smaller, the circle that you have to push in, so it's a little troubly to put it. You also have to align it on 12 o'clock, so it all changes, like I said, on 24 hours. Now check it if the hands are touching each other. And let's see where the date will change. Yeah, I'm off like 10 minutes, but I'm okay with it. If you're not, you'll have to pull out the hands back out and rearrange them again. The second hand is so hard. The circle is so small, and you have to be careful not to damage the other hands and the second hand. And there it goes. The second hand is moving and nothing is touching. So now I'm gonna shorten the bracelet. It's too big, you see. You have to push these little screws, I don't know how to say it. And now for the stem. I ordered a couple of stems because you have to shorten it to align it with the watch. Putting back the movement in the case. So we'll see. This watch has a screw down crown, so now I'm gonna unscrew it and screw it on the stem that I will use for the movement. Press it all the way down and use the caliper to see the distance that you'll need to cut. It's a bit tricky, so I suggest you cut a bit shorter than it would, so you just try it out. Let's see if I manage to. Yep, I cut it on the first try. Yeah, I'm so lucky. The last one that I cut, it took me like 2 stems and cutting like 5 times to get it the perfect amount. Let's wrap it out. So I need to put some grease on this gasket ring, so it's waterproofed. Like I said, everything you see in this video I got from AliExpress. Screw the case back down. And this is the final product. How do you like it? I'm loving it. I think this yellow goes very well with this black. Yeah, I want to thank you for being here till the end, so it means a lot. And if you have your time to click that subscribe button, it would help me a lot. And yeah, thank you. If you like this video, I have another video where I make my own watch, also from AliExpress parts, but it's a AI voice. This is me trying to do this with my voice, so I will put a link for that video here, so if you like it, go watch it. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.